Welcome to Earth's RX Foods, where we explore simple, science-backed ways to improve your health using the power of real food and natural habits. Before we begin, a quick reminder. This content is for educational purposes only and is not intended as medical advice. Always consult with your healthcare provider before making changes to your diet, medications, or health routine. Chia seeds may be small, but they are packed with an impressive amount of nutrients. Often considered a superfood, chia seeds have gained popularity for their potential benefits on digestion, heart health, and energy levels. But what actually happens when you include chia seeds in your diet regularly? Let's take a closer look at the key benefits of chia seeds and how you can easily add them to your daily routine. 1. Rich in nutrients. Chia seeds are loaded with essential nutrients including fiber, protein, omega-3 fatty acids, and important minerals like calcium, magnesium, and iron. Despite their small size, they provide a high concentration of nutrients in just a single serving. This makes them a simple way to boost the nutritional value of your meals. 2. High in fiber. Chia seeds are especially high in dietary fiber. Fiber plays an important role in digestion and may help support gut health and regular bowel movements. It can also help promote feelings of fullness, which may support healthy weight management. 3. Supports heart health. The omega-3 fatty acids found in chia seeds may help support heart health. These healthy fats have been associated with reduced inflammation and improved cholesterol levels. Including sources of omega-3s in your diet may contribute to overall cardiovascular wellness. 4. May help support blood sugar balance. Chia seeds contain a combination of fiber, protein, and healthy fats. This combination may help slow the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream, which can support more stable blood sugar levels. Balanced blood sugar is important for sustained energy and metabolic health. 5. Supports digestive health. When chia seeds are mixed with liquid, they form a gel-like consistency. This gel may help support digestion by promoting smoother movement through the digestive tract. The fiber content also supports beneficial gut bacteria. 6. Provides plant-based protein. Chia seeds are a good source of plant-based protein. Protein is essential for muscle repair, tissue maintenance, and overall body function. This makes chia seeds a convenient addition for those looking to increase protein intake, especially in plant-based diets. 7. Rich in antioxidants. Chia seeds contain antioxidants that help protect the body from oxidative stress. Reducing oxidative stress may support overall health and reduce the risk of certain chronic conditions. 8. Supports energy and endurance. Chia seeds have historically been used as a source of sustained energy. Their combination of fiber, protein, and healthy fats may help provide steady energy levels throughout the day. This can be especially helpful for active individuals. 9. May support bone health. Chia seeds are a good source of calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus. These minerals play an important role in maintaining strong bones and overall skeletal health. 10. Easy to add to your diet. One of the biggest advantages of chia seeds is how easy they are to include in your meals. They have a mild flavor and can be added to a variety of foods without changing the taste significantly. Here are some simple ways to eat chia seeds. One popular option is chia pudding. To make it, mix about 2 tablespoons of chia seeds with 1 cup of milk or a plant-based alternative such as coconut milk. Let it sit in the refrigerator for a few hours or overnight until it thickens. You can then add fruits like berries, a drizzle of honey, or nuts for added flavor and nutrition. Chia seeds can also be added to smoothies, oatmeal, yogurt, or even sprinkled over salads. Starting with small amounts and increasing gradually may help your body adjust to the added fiber. Chia seeds are a nutrient-dense food that offer a wide range of potential health benefits, from supporting digestion and heart health to providing fiber, protein, and essential minerals. While no single food is a cure-all, incorporating simple whole foods like chia seeds into your diet may help support overall health and well-being. Consistency and balance remain key to long-term results. At Earth's RX Foods, we focus on simple, science-backed strategies to help you take control of your health. If this video helped you learn about the benefits of chia seeds, give it a like, subscribe, and share it with someone who wants to eat healthier. Your health is your greatest asset. Fuel it wisely.